Hi everyone, Cherie Rose from Yours Truly by Rose here to do a little sample of the Moss Granny Temperature Blanket Square. So you've seen all of these all over the internet with these Moss Granny temperature blankets. Some of them are done bigger, some of them are done smaller. Well, I'm doing a crochet along and I hope you join me to create the Moss Granny Temperature Blanket. So this isn't a traditional tutorial where I'm going to show you step by step on how to make the Moss Granny Square. The reason being is because there are so many tutorials out there that are so much better than what I can do. So I will recommend to you Hooked by Robin. She does a great moss tutorial or linen stitch tutorial. I'll make sure to put that her link in the description so you can go straight to that one after you finish watching this video, of course. So the breakdown of the Moss Granny temperature blanket for my crochet along, what was I made for in 2024. The way the squares are broken down is you are going to be doing one square a week throughout the year. Again, it doesn't matter what year you pick. It also doesn't matter if you do the highs or the lows because this blanket will work for both. So each month will have 6 squares representing 1 week. Now, even if the month only has 5 weeks, that is okay because that is where your common color will come in. So if we're starting on Sunday, you will have 14 rows throughout the entire week, which means 2 rows for each day. So Sunday is in the middle, and then that's row 1 and 2. Then the second day, which is Monday, is row 3 and 4, and then Tuesday is 5 and 6, Wednesday is 7 and 8, and so on and so forth. So at the end of your square, you will have 14 total rows, and that's 15 single crochet chain ones across each side of your square. That's the best way to help count. So we're going to be breaking down the month of January of 2024. Now I know that this is coming out and it is, near the end of January, but that's okay because again, you're working on your common colors now and you should have a good idea of what, color palette you want to do and the ranges that you want to do to accommodate for each color. So for January, as you can see, there are 5 weeks in January. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making 5 squares for January. But because this pattern is written for 6 squares, you need to make 1 common color square, which means it's a solid color or your common color. The common color reminder is one that is throughout the entire blanket. So that means that you're going to have this color throughout each row, or not each row, each square. Might have this color, it also might not. So that's completely up to you. So you can see that in January, we have the circles, we have 4 common color rows, which means for Sunday, the first 2 rows are going to be, for me, the common color is black. So those first 2 colors, or the first 2 rows will be black. And then Monday, it'll be going with my color palette, whatever the temperature is, and then equaling that or pairing that with the color. And then it continues. So the first full week, you will have 1 common color row, or 1 common color, which is row 1 and 2. I hope that makes sense. And then you'll continue with your color palette for week 2, 3, and 4. And then on week 5, you will have the last 6 rows will actually be the common color. So the first 2, 4, 6, 8 rows will be your color palette, like your color selections for your temperatures. And then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday will be the common color again. This helps with the pattern being consistent throughout for each month, having 6 squares that represent it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about this video, please feel free to email me. My email and contact information is all down below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and again, thanks for watching. Bye.